Capri expresses her artistry both on the big screen and on her amazing canvases.
Nung bata kasi ako, mas gusto kong ginagawa kaysa maglaro. So yun ang laro time ko. Mag-sketch. Then yun yung bonding ko with my dad or with my grandma.
As an actress, she is a Cinemanila International Film Festival Best Actress, best known for her portrayal of the role Gina in the movie Pila Balde in 1999. As an artist, her fascination in painting started in 1998 with women and animals as her subject.
Karoon ako ng mood to draw. Nabigyan ako ng opportunity na pumunta sa Germany to do a film. There was a time na nandun kami sa Hamburg. So, we went to this red light district. Ako parang, pag ganun parang mas mahal pa yung sigarilyo kasi makakita ka ng babaeng naked. Naked body is supposed to be an art. Parang nagkaroon ako ng ganung paniniwala na it should not just be an object of desire.
Although she considers herself a newbie in the art scene, she was able to exhibit some of her artworks in the United Women's Artists Association of the Philippines event in May 2016 in the Podium Manila.
Mahilig ako sa ideas. Siguro na ako nagsisimula makakreate ng art ko. Like for example, yung may isa akong ginawa na yung about lakbay. So, meron siyang about heritage, culture natin, about nung time na wala pa yung mga Spanish. And just start. Yan lang. Kahit ballpen pa yung pencil or ano. Kasi diba, iba-iba naman tayo, iba-iba yung pagka-create mo ng art mo.
We get to know another multifaceted Kapampangan artist when My City, My SM, My Art returns.